Okay, Filipino. Okay. What is it that you will communicate? Siyempre, Filipino. Pinagtatalunan si Mother Tang. Diba? Okay. You will communicate the rich legacy of the Filipino strength. Kasama dyan yung sino ba ang Pilipino? Ano ba ang Pilipino? Filipino strength, resiliency, and excellence through the language. No? Okay, now make sure that you teach values. Huwag kalilimutan yun, because that's the main reason also, aside from being a tool, you've got to make use of a Filipino. Ano man ang values na yun? Pagiging mahinhin, pagiging magalang, mapagmahal sa kapwa-tao, diba? So, the challenge really is using Filipino to revitalize the Filipino culture among learners. So, congratulations, Filipino learners.